Hello, my dear children. I welcome you all for today's English class. Do you know what are we going to learn today? Yes, you are going to learn types of pronouns in grammar today. Shall we get into the video? Children, do you know what is a pronoun? I hope you all remember the word noun. What are nouns? Nouns are naming words. Names of person, place, animals and things. Before getting into the video, we should know what is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun is called a pronoun. For example, Ranjita is my classmate. She is kind-hearted woman. In this sentence, she is used in place of noun Ranjita. As you all know, Ranjita is noun. So we are talking about Ranjita in the following sentences. Instead of using the name Ranjita again and again, we are using the word she here. So she is a pronoun. That is what explained in the previous sentences. A word used in place of a noun is a pronoun. So here in this sentence, she is a pronoun used in the place of noun Ranjita. Do you understand? Look at the second sentence. It is I who am responsible for your success. In the above sentence, who is used as a pronoun in the place of I. Now let us see few examples of pronouns. Look at the screen. I, me, my, you, he, mine, his, their, her, its, she, their, we, us, our, it, its, them, hers, his. All these are pronouns used in the sentences. Now let us see the types of pronouns. There are various types of pronouns, but in your textbook you are going to learn 3 types of pronouns. They are possessive pronouns, personal pronouns, and demonstrative pronouns. Now let us see each type of pronoun in detail. First one is personal pronouns. You have learnt about pronouns such as I, you, he, we, she, her, him, they and them. They are called personal pronouns because they are used in place of nouns used for persons. So these are the words for personal pronouns. Personal pronouns can be divided into 2. One is subject, the other one is object pronouns. Words such as I, you, he, she, it, they and we are subject pronouns. These words substitute nouns that act as a subject of the sentence. For example, I am going to the park. So, I is placed in the subject place. It is called subject pronoun. For example, Rani is going to the park. Instead of Rani, we are going to use she there. So, the subject Rani is replaced with the pronoun she there. So, she is called as a subject pronoun. We are going to the park. We is placed in the subject pronoun. Subject place. So, it is called as subject pronoun. The second one is object pronouns. They are me, him, them, us, you and it are called object pronouns. These words substitute nouns that receive the action of the verb. So it comes in the object place. A personal pronoun is a short word we use as a simple substitute for the proper name of a person. Always personal pronouns are used in the proper name of a person. So it can be categorized as three, that is first person, second person and third person pronouns. A personal pronoun can be in one of the three persons. Either it can be first person pronoun or else second person pronoun or else third person pronoun. A first person pronoun is the speaker. A second person pronoun refers to the person spoken to or else the person who is listening to. For example, I am talking to you now, I am teaching you, so I will be considered as a first person. You people are listening to me, you will be considered as second person. Those who are not related to this, the other persons are third person pronouns. Now let us see how subject pronouns change into object pronouns depending upon the persons, that is first person, second person, third person. Look at the screen. For first person, that is subject is I. If it comes to object, it will be converted as me. For second person, it's you. For third person, it's he or she in subject. For object, it is him or her. Then for animals and things, we will be using it. If it is plural, these are all for singular. The above, I, me, you, he or she, these are used for singular. Then we are going to see for plural. For plural, the subject pronoun for first person is we. When it comes to object, it will be converted as us. You will remain the same as you and they will be changed as them. Now let us see few examples of subject and object pronouns. Look at the sentence. Tom fed his baby sister. The subject is Tom here. Okay. For Tom, we are using the pronoun he. So he is a subject pronoun. Then what is the object here? His baby sister. That is her. So the subject pronoun is he and the object pronoun is her here. Look at the next sentence. Jennifer got the keys. Jennifer is she and keys, for keys we are using them. That is object pronoun. The candy is for Michael and me. The candy is a subject. There we are using it. So it is a subject pronoun. And Michael and me, we are using us. It is object pronoun. Hormoz and Shemi took the test. Here we are using they as subject pronoun and it as object pronouns. Next we are going to see what are possessive pronouns. So the next type of pronoun is possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are mine, his, her, yours and ours. It shows possession or ownership or relationship between the persons. Look at the example. I like your snowman. It's better than mine. So here mine shows a possession. It is called as possessive pronouns. So as I told you before, a possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. Look at the example. This pen is my pen, not your pen. This pen is mine. Instead of my pen, we are using the possessive pronoun mine here. And not your pen. For not your pen, we are using not yours. So mine and yours are possessive pronouns. Look at the examples for mine. This is my laptop. So it's mine. Here, mine is a possessive pronoun. These glasses are mine, not yours. Here, yours is a possessive pronoun. This is my brother's book. It's his. It's not mine. So his is a possessive pronoun. He offered to swap his camera for hers. Here, hers is the possessive pronoun. I'll show you to your room. Ours is next door. Ours is a possessive pronoun here. The house is yours. The ship is theirs. These are the examples for possessive pronouns. The next type of pronoun is demonstrative pronoun. So, what are demonstrative pronouns? Read these sentences. This is my horse. That is my baby bird. These are my belongings. Those are not my belongings. The words this, that, these and those point at things and people. They are called demonstrative pronouns. See, the words are pointing out person or things. This, that, these, those. So, all the four are demonstrative pronouns. When you are using demonstrative pronouns, you should be careful that the object is near to you or far away from you. If the object is singular and when it is near to you, you can use this. This is an apple. When the apple is far away from you, you can use that is an apple. If it is plural, there were many apples. When it is near to you, you can use these are apples. And when it is far away from you, you can use those are apples. So that, this, these, those, all the four are demonstrative pronouns. Okay, I hope you have understood the types of pronouns. Let us do a short recap of what we have learned today. We have learned types of pronouns. The first type is personal pronouns. They are we, I, you, he, she, it. In that, we have learned subject pronouns and object pronouns. The subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, they, and we. The object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it. Next, we have learnt possessive pronouns. They show the ownership I told you. And they are mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. The next one is demonstrative pronouns. That is this, that, these, and those. I hope you have understood the types of pronouns. Thank you.